Bantu my
Lately music's been my reminiscence. That's when I listen. I know it's bad that I can't help myself. When I get mad I set fire to the hell. The only way to keep it at a distance, that's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay.